Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to use my new mold that I got from Julie Cuts from Pouring Your Heart Out. I love her molds, absolutely gorgeous. I'm decanting at 35 degrees. Getting rid of all the bubbles. I guess you guys must be wondering why I don't speak so much, but I really don't. I stay in silence a lot of the time, so it's very, very hard for me to like start a conversation or talk, or so you gotta just bear with me. So I've chosen two colors, which is a very, very deep red and the white. My little granddaughter wants it as a bowl for her teacher for Christmas, so I thought I'd get it done. So I've got it on double speed so you don't get bored. Just getting the white into the piping bag. It's actually quite a simple bloom that I chose, but I wanted a lot of petals, sort of like one on top of the other. That's what I tried to aim anyway. It's basically the glitter that or the stones that I chose were a mixture of different colors. Actually, watching Julie do this flower, I noticed that she had put gold glitter in at the corner of every petal, and I was going to do that, but then totally forgot. Totally forgot. Maybe next one. So I'm going in the shape of the mold, trying to anyway. I was sort of trying to aim for layers, like layers of petals. So I'm not really working this fast, but I've got it on speed, so that's why it looks as though I'm going fast, but actually it's quite nerve-wracking. In fact, I think I missed a couple. I didn't take too much red pigment because I was scared that it might blob, so I went bare minimum. Just getting back into the routine of it. I haven't done anything like this for the last 4 years. Very big into the acrylic pours, as you can see on my YouTube channel if you get a chance. Then Mum got sick and I had to give up to look after her. That's as soon as I finished. You can see it's starting to bloom. It looks quite promising. Just have to see what the other side looks like. So this is unmolding after about 6 hours. Tell you what, I was nervous. Just wouldn't let go. I was nervous as hell. Struggling a little bit with the petals. So it actually came out quite nice. I mean, it was not as many petals as I would have liked, but there were no blobs. There was just
gorgeous
petals. So I put it into the bowl and taking Miss Callie's advice on, while it's still soft, put it into the bowl so it doesn't bounce back. Hi, Miss Callie. That's
Doesn't
absolutely
look too bad, does
beautiful.
it? It's beautiful. Well, thank you for watching. Please don't
Happy
forget
go.
to subscribe and put a like there. Thank you.